What person in history would you like to take out to dinner if you could? Who would it be and why?
Okay, Morgan Freeman.
Oh, if I tell you the real answer, you're going to freak out. So I'm not going to do that. Oh, I would be so intrigued with probably Charles Manson or Ted Bundy. I don't know how they did it and got away with it. I don't know. You just have so many questions regarding, Ted Bundy did it for years. So
Where would you take him to dinner and why would you go there?
Red Lobster.
Those Cheddar Bay biscuits.
McDonald's. I'm just going to do something cheap with him because he's a cheap loser anyway. But
Tracy likes to spend her weekend at the beach or at the pool or with her grandkids.
I do yoga and Pilates and the beach, bowling, or spend time with the grandkids, my son.
Does she have a least favorite day of the week?
I want to say Monday, but she has Monday off. So maybe Tuesday.
Wednesdays, probably. It's the middle of the week. Should be fun. But usually I'm in the office, so it's always get the red folders together and get the whole swag together. So it's very busy.
She just said she went to the movies. Where'd she go? What she go see? I don't know. I'm going to say Notebook.
I've seen Legends of the Fall more than 10 times. Obviously Brad Pitt's the main reason. Come on. If you've seen the movie, you'll know why. There's a bunch of songs I don't know all the words to.
Yeah, I don't think so. Maybe she does, and I don't think she would know all the words.
Whitney Houston, How Will I Know? Everybody knows that.